Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Let us see question number 36. A boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream. A boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 8 hours. Okay. It can go 16 km upstream and 32 km downstream in the same time. Okay. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of stream. Okay. In these questions, we have to assume, okay, this is the solution, okay. We have to assume that let the speed of boat, okay, you can write boat speed in still water, okay, still water. We assume that boat speed in still water that is equal to x kilometer per hour, okay, and speed, boat speed, okay, boat speed in still water, again speed of stream, okay, speed of stream that is equal to y kilometer per hour. You assume that one, okay. After it, according to question, a question asks that a boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream, okay. So boat speed in upstream, how much? Boat speed in upstream becomes the speed of boat in still water, and this one the speed of stream, that is y minus x kilometer per hour, and boat speed in downstream becomes, I think, x plus y or y plus x kilometer per hour. In downstream it will be added and upstream it will be subtracted from the speed of stream minus speed of boat in still water, okay. After it, according to questions, a boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 8 hours, okay. Let us see here. Suppose this is the stream, okay, this is the stream, okay, here this is the stream, and again here also an stream, okay, suppose also an stream, and the direction of the stream is like that, okay, okay. Suppose a boat goes 12 km in upstream, okay, 12 km in upstream and 40 km in downstream, okay. Suppose the boat goes 40 km, 12 km upstream, okay, okay. I think there is no need of any drawing here, okay. Boat goes 12 km upstream, so we write here for upstream, okay, for upstream, okay, distance how much for upstream, that is distance is given here 12 km, okay, for upstream distance is given here 12 km, and you know that in upstream, that is the speed is given y minus x km per hour. So if you find the time in upstream, then how much time in upstream, that is becomes t equal to s by v, that is the distance by speed, time equal to distance by speed, that is distance here 12 divided by speed, how much? You can write here distance by speed, distance here how much, that is 12 km divided speed how much in upstream. I am asking about upstream, that is y minus x, this one t1, okay. And again for downstream, okay, this one the downstream distance, so downstream distance how much, downstream distance equal to 40 km, okay, and time, if asking to time in downstream time equal to, that is distance by speed, this one the formula, distance by speed. So time equal to distance how much taken by the downstream, that is 40 and the speed in downstream, that is equal to x plus y, and this one becomes t2. According to questions, you know that a boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 8 hours. It means that the 12 km and 40 km together takes time, that is 8 hours. So if you adding the t1 plus t2, that will becomes equal to the 8 hours. Okay, so according to question, you can write here that t1, okay, t1 plus t2 equal to 8. So t1, that is 12 divided by y minus x, plus t2, that is equal to 40 divided by y plus x or x plus y, whatever it is, equal to 8. That is the equation number 1. Okay, I think you are able to follow me up to which. Again, this is the first part of the questions. Again, the second part. In second part, the questions tells us in the same time, question tells us it can go 16 km upstream and 30 km in downstream. Okay, so we can write here in upstream, that is the distance. How much? In upstream, 16 km distance. So 16 you can write here, and if one asks to your t1 for time in upstream, that is equal to s by v, that is distance by speed, that is s, that is distance. How much distance? 16, and the speed is equal to how much in upstream, that is y minus x in upstream. So y minus x, here t1 becomes 16 divided by y minus x. Okay, I think it is up to which you are able to follow me. Again, if asking to you downstream, for downstream, then in downstream distance, how much in downstream the distance? It tells us 30 km in downstream it can go. So 30 km, okay, 32. If asking to you t2, then you can write directly that 32 divided by y plus x or x plus y, that is the distance by speed. Speed in downstream, that is equal to x plus y. Okay, and according to question, you can write that in the same time. The question tells that it can travel in same time. So t1 plus t2 equal to same time means 8 hours. Okay, so t1, that is equal to 16 by y minus x, plus t2, that is equal to 32 divided by y plus x equal to 8. This will gives an equation that is equal to equation number 2. Okay, again, if you can assume that suppose 1 by 1 y minus x equal to u, here from there you can assume that 1 by 1 upon 1 y minus x equal to u, and 1 upon y plus x, that is equal to v. And after putting it, this one assume, okay, you have to assume after putting in equation 1, you get 12y minus x, that is equal to u, 12u plus 40v equal to 8. That will gives an equation number 3. Okay, this one not gives equation number 3. You can common 4, or you divide by 4. You will get after dividing the 4 3s are 12, that is equal to 3u plus 4 10s are 40, 10v, 4 2s are 8. I think this one gives an equation number 3. Okay, again, here you can put 16u plus 32v equal to 8, and as you common 8 or 8 divided by 8, you can divide by 8. 8 to the 16u plus 8 4 the 32. 8 4 the 32. That is 4v equal to 1. That gives an equation number 4. Okay. After it, you multiply the equation number 3 by 2, and you multiply the equation number 4 by 3. Okay. After multiplying it, you get 3 to the 6, 6u, 3 to the 6u plus 20v and 2 to the 4, that is equal to 4. And after multiplying 3 to the 6 u plus 3 4 the 12v equal to 3 1 the 3, and subtracting it, you know that it will be cancelled out, and after it you get 8v equal to 1. that is v equal to 1 upon 8. V equal to 1 upon 8. Okay. Again, by putting the value of v in equation number 3 or 4. Okay, you put the value of v in 3, you get 3u plus 10 into 1 upon 8, n equal to 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. Okay, then 3u equal to 2 minus 5 upon 4. Okay, 5 by 4 go in the another side and becomes negative. Then 3u will becomes 4 2 ja 8, 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3 upon 4, and u equal to 1 upon 4. U equal to 1 upon 4 and v equal to 1 upon 8. You know that you already that you have assumed that 1 upon y minus x equal to u, so you can write here 1 upon y minus x equal to 1 upon 4, and it will becomes y minus x equal to 4, and this equation you can assume equation number 5. Okay, again 1 upon y plus x, that is you assume already that it will becomes v, and the value of v that is equal to 1 upon 8, and y plus x becomes 8, and this will give the value of equation number 6. As you add this equation, you get, as you add this equation number 5 and equation number 6, as you add here, you can add equation number 5 and 6, you add, and you know that after adding, you write here 1 by y minus x equal to 4 and y plus x equal to 8. As you add, this will be cancelled out, and this will becomes 2y, and this one becomes 12. 2 6 ja 12, that is y equal to 6, and you assume that this one the speed of stream, that is y equal to 6 km per hour, and as you putting in equation number 5, as you putting in 5, you get y, that is value of 6, y equal to 6 minus x equal to 4, then 6 minus 4, that is equal to x, and it gives any value, that is 2, x equal to 2. This x equal to 2, that is the speed, you assume that speed of boat in still water, that is 2 km per hour. I think you are able to follow me. Okay, this is the solution of this questions. I think you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.